Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to hide text messages on Android so you can keep your private conversations more secure and your inbox organized. Many people receive personal, work, or sensitive messages that they may not want visible every time they open their phone. Luckily, Android makes it easy to manage and hide certain message threads with just a few simple steps. Open the Messages app on your Android device. This is the app you normally use to send and receive SMS or text messages. Next, you will see a list of all your conversations on the screen. Now find the specific conversation that you want to hide from your main message inbox. Next, long press them on that conversation for a moment. After holding it, a small pop-up menu or options bar will appear at the top or bottom of the screen. These options allow you to manage the selected message thread. Look carefully through the icons that appear in this menu. Among the options, you should see the hide icon or an option related to archiving or hiding the conversation. Tap on that option. As soon as you do that, the selected conversation will disappear from your main message list and be moved to a hidden or archived section. This helps keep your inbox cleaner and prevents others from easily seeing that conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful tech tips.